basically we're just looking for the mast not to fall into the transom.
Hi, we're Beau and Brandy, and along with our salty pup Una, we've been staying here in the US Virgin Islands on our tiny floating home, Saoirse. Where are you tuning in from? We'd love to hear. Comment below. And as always, thanks for watching.
Well, we found another crack, but this time it's in our forestay chain plate. About 3 weeks ago, I took some really rough measurements just so I could get a real rough drawing done to send out to local machine shops, but we haven't heard anything back from them yet. I'm thinking if I get a very detailed drawing, I could just send it to a machine shop and they can either laser cut or water jet cut the pieces out, make it in shop, and I won't need to send in the actual bracket. That way we can hit up a bunch of shops and price out the best one and see which one can get it to us the fastest, because we don't want to be here for hurricane season.
But we also don't want to head down south with a broken chain plate.
Exactly. Let's do this.
The only other thing is, we have only, my invisible watch, 3 hours to do this because we are actually meeting a group of people to go and do a sunset hike. So hopefully we can have this all done before then. If not, I guess we're not doing a sunset hike. All right, what are we gonna do to stop this from falling over?
Hope and pray. Now I'm just tying a rolling hitch to the forestay, and then I'm gonna redirect the load and then tie it off to one of these cleats. And then we're gonna run up the halyard. It's got 2 lines attached to it. We're gonna tie those off to the tow rails. And in addition to that, we're also gonna use the spare halyard and do the same thing. So it should be more than enough. Now that I got those 2 secure, I'm gonna winch on them and hopefully it'll tighten both of them equally. Depends on how good of a job I did down there. Seem pretty tight. And not too bad. This one's a little looser. So I don't weigh much, but hopefully when I loosen this forestay, when this loosens and comes towards us, it doesn't slide.
Here we go. He's loosening it up. Stay up. How do I know everything looks okay?
You're gonna see the lines tension up. And basically we're just looking for the mast not to fall into the transom.
What? What if you put a line to the from here, like from here and over there?
Yeah, we can. And it's better than nothing. Extra security step. Ready?
Barely.
Yeah.
This much, but go for it. Almost there?
Almost there. Wish us luck. Well, it's like virtually no load down here. So it must be taking it all. There's no load here either. Look how slack the line is. Yeah. It's all taking it right here.
These 2?
I think so. Yeah. Sweet! You never know what's gonna happen with these things.
All right, now let's get to work.
All right, we don't have much time. Should we postpone?
No, no, look at this setup. Beau's bringing around the dinghy so he can get to the front bolts, and I'm actually gonna get into the chain locker to help him get these off. Ouch. It smells like fish in here. Okay.
Just a few more bolts and I'll show you guys how complex this chain plate is. It's free! So look at that. So we got welds, we got 3 pieces. This little gusset, this bar coming out, a bend, and then you got this piece which is bent, and then it's all welded up together.
Where's a piece that's cracked?
Right here.
Yikes.
And you can see it goes all the way through.
Good eye. Good catch.
This one definitely needs to be replaced, and I still need to look at all the other ones. Hopefully they're holding up a lot better than this one.
Well, that one gets a lot more
Yeah, this gets a lot of stress.
stress. All right, now you gotta measure it up.
Measure it up, send it out, get it all back together.
All right, I'm gonna take her to the beach while you're working on that.
Okay.
So hopefully that'll save us time, because we have like an hour.
Yeah, we are running behind. I was almost hesitant on wanting to take the chain plate off, but really it doesn't seem like there's any load at all, hardly any load on those lines, so we're doing pretty good.
All right, get to it. How long do you think it's gonna take?
Hopefully, I don't know, half hour maybe?
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right.
Love you.
Love you.
For chain plates, these are 2 pretty complex pieces. Just the fact that they have welds and so many bends. Hopefully it's not an arm and a leg to get these replaced, but it probably will be. Oh well, such is boat life. Now to sketch these out. Now that I got a quick sketch of this thing, I'm just gonna take some measurements with the calipers, open up the computer, and update my CAD model. That way I'm not sitting here taking measurements, writing them down, then putting them in. This way I can save a little bit of time.
After hours and hours of research and data collection, it's come to the conclusion that 43.01% of you guys have yet to subscribe to the channel. If you're watching and you're enjoying what you're watching, be sure to pause the video at the moment and hit that subscribe button. For all of you guys who are subscribed and are watching, thank you so much. But be sure that you are still subscribed, because we've been getting a lot of alerts lately that people have been secretly unsubscribed. So be sure to go and check to make sure you are currently still subscribed. Thanks for watching, you guys. All right.
You got clean socks?
You have socks already in your shoes.
Probably not clean.
Probably not clean. Might want to get a pair. Grab me a pair too, and you're all done. You finished.
All done.
All right. By the skin of our teeth, our friends are coming over in a second to pick us up. Just finishing packing up for our hike. I I'm excited. We haven't done a hike in a really long time, and this area is supposed to be really great sunset view, and we've been getting amazing sunsets in this area. So Oona has all the water, all our fans are on, there's a nice breeze coming through here. I just took her on a really long swim, so she's gonna be nice and tired for when we're gone. And for our reward of a very long, treacherous hike, I think it's only like 2 miles, we're gonna have some ice cream. Yes.
Kind of socks? Long socks?
No, not long socks, white socks. I hear a dinghy. I hear a dinghy. Hello! Hi, Connie! So close! Yeah. So that one, and then that one. Like friends, we just like we did.
Yeah, let's go over here so we don't end up under the dock like that one. I'll let you.
Yeah.
We'll watch the
first.
Oh.
Part the Red Sea.
The 2 biggest ones.
Yeah.
It'd be nice and protected.
Like,
We get to pass the brewery. Yeah, there's a pretty cool lookout at the top of Margaret Hill.
Awesome.
Kenneal Hill's got
This
like
is
that
where we're
wooden
going?
platform
Where are we
on top.
going?
Up to Kenneal Hill, then back down up to Margaret.
Oh.
Getting close.
This is a good hike.
Yeah, it was a good hike. Wasn't too rough. Definitely worth the view though.
Yeah, it's really pretty up here. With all the sounds in the background too.
And meeting new people and making new friends.
It's been awesome. Look at the picnic Brooke set up.
But yeah, there's fiberglass.
we see like just the top.
We're gonna enjoy the sunset.
And then walk our way down and get ice cream! Technically, we have 1 minute till this place closes. Wish us luck. I think we deserve an ice cream. Can I have a coffee cowboy coffee and salted caramel and a waffle cone? Keto style. Nothing to see here. Thank you.